I'm
How are you
great.
today? Great. What is the
Yeah.
weather in Vietnam? In my country, it's gloomy. Okay, the weather is gloomy in my country. Look at the weather, it's gloomy. Okay, how about in Vietnam? What is the weather in Vietnam? It's good or not
Uh,
good?
it's good.
It's good. Oh, wow, that's good. Okay, I will share the screen now. Let us continue this cake. Yagas na? Okay, we're done with this. Okay, so we are done with this, right? Yesterday, we're
Yeah.
done with this. Let us continue this one. Okay, so please continue the reading part 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Part 3, reading.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so number 1, Angel. Is there a party? Is there a birthday party? Yes, John
Yeah.
16.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you buy some new clothes?
Yes.
Ah, very good. Yes, I needed some. Okay, I like your hair.
Thank you. Is my
Thank
brother.
you. Mom did it. Also, when I say, hi, Kate. Oh, I like your hair, Kate. And he will say, thank you, Teacher Ann. My mom did it. Oh, number 5. Shall I take you to the party?
Yes.
Very good. Yes, please. Have a nice time. Thank you.
Have
Oh, very good. Okay, next one. You read the story and choose the word from the box. Write the correct word next to the number. This one, read the
okay.
story and choose here. You write the correct answer. Good, Kate? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Wait me for a minute, Teacher will go to the bathroom. Please answer. I will go to the bathroom.
Mm.
Why na-included, dira? Okay, Kate. Continue. Please answer. Okay, finish. Number 2.
No.
You finish number 2.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So, a very famous man lives opposite me. Okay. So, please read, Kate, his name.
uh, uh, very famous, famous,
Famous.
and
Famous. It's not famous,
famous
famous.
man,
Yes. Correct.
famous
Yes.
man live opposite me. His name is Mr. Banks. His house has 10 bedrooms and a
Mm.
beautiful garden.
Mm.
He drive 4 different cars and he flies to
Mm.
work in a helicopter. He has practice every
Mm-hmm.
Saturday evening. He play he play piano and dance. Oh,
Dances. Dances.
that's
Dances.
dance.
Dances. Go.
Dances
To.
to music with his friends. My family isn't famous
It's
and
not famous.
famous don't have a big house. But Mr. Banks often comes to see us. Last 2 days morning, I look out, out of my window. There was lots of snow outside. I went downstairs to have my breakfast.
Breakfast. Very good. In the kitchen.
In the
Mom.
kitchen, Mom and Dad were there. Mr. Banks was too. Hello, I say. I can't go to school today. There's snow on all the roads. I can take you to school in my helicopter, Jim. Would you like to do that? Wow, I say, yes, please.
Okay, very good. Yay! So what is the story all about? What do you think the story all about? Okay, do you know the answer? What is the story all about? The story is about who? Mr.? What is the name of
Mr.
them?
Bang.
Mr. Bank. Okay, is Mr. Bank rich or poor? Mr. Bank rich or
Rich,
poor?
rich.
Rich. Why do you think Mr. Bank is rich? Why?
Because uh
Because
Mr. Banks has 10 bedrooms and a beautiful garden.
okay.
He,
Okay, has
and
10 bedrooms and beautiful garden. How many cars?
one garden.
One garden. One car. How many cars? Cars. How many cars? How many cars? There are
One garden
one garden and cars. How many cars?
is 4 different car.
Okay, 4 different cars. Okay. Okay, I will send it to your mom. Very good. Perfect. Yay. Okay. Okay, I will share. Okay, now, okay, so here now, choose the best name of the story. What do you think is the best name of the story? What do you think is the best name of the story?
Helicopter, no,
It's the
a holiday in the snow.
Holiday in the
Snow.
Snow. Okay, it's a answer. It's helicopter ride. Okay, because okay, she ride in the helicopter. Okay, this one. Okay, so tell me, look at the pictures and read the story. Write words to complete the sentences about the story. Okay, this is Betty's birthday. Okay, let us answer this one. Okay, so please here. Okay, please write your answer here. Okay, look at the story, huh? And write your answer this. This is about Betty.
My name
Betty's story.
My
All right,
name.
here the answer. Right here the answer first.
Oh wait. My name's better. It was my birthday last weekend. On Friday, I phoned some of my friends. Hello, Jen, I said. Would you like to come to my party on Sunday evening? Sorry, Betty, she said. I can't. I have got bad toothache. Then I phoned John. He said, no, sorry. I played football yesterday and I hurt my leg.
His answer, you write your answer in the chat.
John could to go to the party because she has hurt my leg. Hurt? Because his leg in the Okay, teacher.
Okay. So John couldn't go to the party because John couldn't go to the party because she had, okay,
Hurt?
hurt his headache. Oh, she has toothache. Look at, I've got a bad toothache in the tooth. John couldn't go because he hurt his leg in a football
Playing
game.
football.
Yeah, correct. Football game. Okay, next one. Okay, please. Right here.
On Saturday, I phoned Ben. He said, I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. I just missed you work on Sunday. Can't drive me to your house. Then I phoned Kim. No, I'm sorry. I'm with my cousin that day. Is I start to cry. I went to my friends with me on my birthday. Mommy said, don't be sad. Grandma and Grandpa can come here that evening. Ben could come, come because
You read properly, ha? Cheers na kay lapis, ball pens. I just gave you lapis now. Asa manawa lagi? Let's know where you put it. That was one of my neighbors. Dali, papa ka na sa ako pabangon sa kulang mo. Why did you put my neighbor down? Oh no, maybe another neighbor pen. Kana di mo maganin. Wala asa naman pa. Palit ra ba ko band paper lang kay gamiton ako. Karon na? Hindi siya taon. Magkakaroon kami. Para print. Hmm. Hindi pa ako, mami, ano? Ha? Hindi pa ako mag-Bible study. As 8 pa. Ligo ka? Ligo. Ano ko nagligo mas dami? Maglabo. Ako na. Iikusan ako ani mo dira. Mami, ano ka nag-study lagi? Mag-study na ako, oy. Lako, upo sa sanakaw. Aran na, lako na ka. Oh, bro. Hmm. Natabangin ko niya ha. Kaya mag-research ko ka na. Lagi. May ikaw man, nag-ikaw mami ay uji mo. Ikaw ice cream. Mm.
Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay, let me see. Okay, Ben couldn't come because
Yes.
his dad or father has to work. Okay, I'm sorry. My dad has to work on Sunday. Okay, two. The last person that Betty phone called is who? The last. Last person na. Who is the last person? It's the
Him.
Kim.
Him.
Oh, I'm with my cousins that day. Very good. Betty started crying because her friends couldn't be with her on her birthday. Oh. And Betty's what? Don't be sad.
Don't be
Grandma?
sad.
Okay.
Grandma
Grandma
and
and grandpa could not go. Okay, very good. Yay. Okay. Who is the birthday girl? Okay, what is the name of the birthday girl? Who
is
is the birthday girl? The birthday girl is? The birthday girl name is? Oh, it is
better. Better.
Betty. It's Betty. Okay. Okay, 7. Please continue.
Okay, teacher, finish.
Here, she put on her party dress in her bedroom. Okay, is that party dress? Ah, very good party dress. Look at Betty. Betty is so sexy. All Betty's friends were in where? In the
In the garden.
garden. And Betty's friends gave her a nice yellow
Yellow
kite.
kite.
Very good. It's a
Kite.
nice yellow kite. And Kim came with cousins. And they all sung Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, very good. Yay. Okay, this one. Okay, perfect. Very good. Oh, you underline, underline. Okay, underline.
Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay. So crocodiles live in rivers. Okay. Many people are afraid of crocodiles. Are you afraid of crocodiles? Are you afraid of crocodiles?
Yes.
Ah, so have you seen crocodiles? Have you seen crocodiles? Not yet.
Hmm?
Have you seen crocodiles? Have you seen crocodiles? Not yet.
Not.
Not. Okay. So they eat fish, birds, and animals, and sometimes people. Oh, the crocodiles will eat people too. Okay. They do not eat very often, but they eat a lot. Oh, a lot. Crocodiles have very short legs, but they can run quicker than a man. So they are fast runner. They can run quicker than a man. Their teeth are bigger than a small child's hand. Okay. And crocodiles come from eggs. Oh, they are come from eggs. The mother carries her babies to the water in her mouth. Here, they learn to swim. Baby crocodile do not have teeth, so you can pick them up and carry them in your hand. they do not have teeth. So you can pick them up and carry them in your hand. Oh, yay. Very good. Okay. Okay. Okay, next one, I will share the... Okay, please find the difference. Please find the difference.
Okay. In picture 1, the bird is on the helicopter. Picture 2, the bird on the helicopter.
Okay. What?
Next.
Yeah.
The helicopter is red.
The
Picture 2,
second picture.
and in picture 2, the helicopter is yellow.
It's yellow. Okay, it is yellow. Okay.
In
Okay,
picture 1,
the girl
is fly a kite.
fly a kite. In picture
Picture
2.
2, the boy fly the kite.
Okay. Now, what else?
In picture 1, the boy wear the blue hat.
And
And in picture
picture 2,
2, the
the
man
man does not
does not
have
have.
a hat. Okay, very good. Okay, this one, let us talk about the places that you go. Where do you go at the weekend? Where do you go at the weekend?
I'm going to shopping.
Shopping. Oh, you shop. Oh, very good. Okay, who do you go there with? Who do you go there with in the weekend? You go with your
Your
mother,
dad.
your dad. Oh, your dad is there.
And your mother.
Where's daddy? Where's your father?
The father is work
Work where?
the work the boat.
Work the boat. Where do you like going in the holiday, Kate? Where do you like going in the holiday?
I like going to my country.
To my country? You like going to my country?
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, tell me about your school. Please tell me about your school.
School. My school names is Bùi Thị Xuân.
Okay, what is that? Is it big or small?
It's big.
It's big. It is a big school, teacher. Okay.
My class is number 5, 6, 5, 6.
Okay, 5, 6. Okay.
My
Oh, you have many? 56? You have 56?
5, 6.
Okay, 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6. Okay.
The teacher names
What is the name of the teacher? My teacher's name is,
Miss
what is the name of
Miss
your teacher?
Miss Tao. Miss Tao.
Miss
Tao.
Pau. Is Miss Pau's pretty or not pretty?
It's pretty.
Wow, okay. So where do you go at the weekend? Do you have picnic or do you go to the zoo?
Have a picnic.
Have a picnic. Okay. Where do you go there with? Usually, where do you go there with?
With
Where do you go
my
there with?
family.
Okay, your family?
My family.
Okay. Where do you usually go aside from mall? Go, you said you go shopping. Okay, where?
Go shopping.
Oh, you go shopping. Okay. You love to go. Oh, you say hi to Jillian. Jillian is here. Jillian, say hi. Hi to Kate. Kate is 10 years. You're 10, right? Oh, kumain. Don't for me. Look at. Show her my drawings. With me? Show her my drawings. Go na. You get. Damn!
Wow.
This is Jillian's artwork. Hey, you find it nice? It's beautiful?
So beautiful.
It's beautiful. Kunyo ingan si Kate said it's beautiful. Okay, another question, Kate. Which animal do you like the best in the zoo?
I like the the no monkey in the zoo.
Which animal, okay, do you like in the zoo? You like? No. Yes.
Monkey.
Okay. Which animals you like monkey? Why do you like monkey?
Because the monkey is so fun.
The monkey is?
Fun.
Okay. It's monkey. Okay, and then tell about it. Okay, tell me about the monkey. Hey, so you like monkey? How about turtle? Do you like turtle?
No.
You don't like turtle? How about elephant? You don't like elephant?
No.
You're scared elephant is very big. It's a big animal. Okay, oh, why are you happy?
Because my mom goes shopping. No, is go shopping and give me the shoes.
Oh, wow, very nice. Is the shoes nice? You're happy?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
black.
It's true. Oh, what's the color?
Black and yellow is yellow.
Black and yellow. Okay. Black and yellow shoes. Okay. Thank you so much, Kate, for today, teacher, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.